So I was told by multiple colleagues that I have been a go-to person for many of the colleagues around, and then I actually was very happy to hear that. So I made that reputation over the years. It didn't happen in a day, and then I made that in two parts. One is actually you need to know many things to answer questions. The second part is when you need to be open, you need to be accountable, you need to be also responsive to the people when they come and ask you questions. More than that, I follow a strategy. Whenever somebody comes approaching me with some questions, I try to understand where they are coming from and what is their background, what is their level of knowledge, and I try to speak in their language, their understanding. So, for example, if a marketing person comes asking about a technical question, I need to answer in a marketing way or the way they can understand. Same for the commercial team or the sales team. So, when I am an engineer, I can speak all the technical terms, but it doesn't mean everyone can understand. So, I try to speak in their language. More than that, you also need to start learning many things around you so that you can answer many of those questions. But finally, I'm happy to hear that I'm being that person who everyone likes in that way, and then I try to keep that reputation anyways. I have been working on our latest technology, showcasing ADAS and cockpit on a single SoC. So we have been seeing different systems from different OEMs where ADAS and cockpit and other domains are running on different ECUs. Now here, we are showcasing everything running on a single SoC. So here, thereby saving cost and also reducing the development effort for the OEM. How it makes sense for the user, end user might not see what is happening behind, but overall, when you buy a vehicle, if you have different ADAS features and if you have all the cockpit features, we combine that in a single SoC. Bosch is one of the key suppliers who can do this since we have many ADAS system in market in production and we have many advanced system in development. Along with that, we have leading cockpit supplier across the world. So we are in a right position to do this, and then we are showcasing this at CES 2024. Our latest fusion technology, where we consolidate ADAS and cockpit on a single SoC, have many benefits. One of the main benefits for the end user is the cost. So how does the cost come into an end user? So you don't need to pay for a high-end car to have all the latest ADAS technology. You might be able to pay a little bit lesser, but still be able to be affordable in so that you, when in this case, we are consolidating two different ECUs, two different computers in the vehicle, making it even cheaper. So finally, what you get is you don't have to pay for the high-end car to buy all the ADAS features, all the cockpit features. Along with that, we are consolidating many different things with the cloud. So you get also the benefit of cloud-based integration. We are also doing many Gen AI features. So this is also something running on the cloud, or it can be on the hardware. And then you have the assistant technology as Gen AI assistant, where you can ask for different questions to the cloud or for the local system. Along with the ADAS features, when we consolidate both, when you are driving across the highway, you might be on your lane centering system, keeping your car in the lane, or you might be doing your adaptive cruise control, start and stop technology, where you might be following a car, you might be keeping the lane, and if the car in front slows down, your car also might be slowing down. But you might be also having your kids watching movies in the same car with the same ECU. So when we put all these different consolidated ECUs consolidated, then you save costs, and finally you don't have to buy the premium car to get all these features. So you all have been in this situation. When you are driving down the road, you see a restaurant or you see a coffee shop, and you think, okay, is that restaurant busy? Is that coffee shop busy? Is that open? How good is that restaurant, right? You all had this same kind of question. When you're driving, your driver monitoring camera is seeing where exactly you're looking. So when you're looking left and you see a restaurant at 30-degree angle, the camera knows, the system knows where you're looking, and you ask this question, and the system gets that information from the cloud and then show it to you exactly what you need exactly at the right time. So we have been working on exactly the same use case, and to make it to you, I really believe this is going to be a wonderful example of how the cloud and the car comes together.